Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Ducks go quack and fish go swish. Splashing in the pond is such a joyful wish. Little frogs hop and dragonflies fly high underneath the sunshine and the big blue sky. Ducks go quack, fish go swish. Waddle, swim and play, every little wish. Flap your wings, wiggle your fins, laugh and sing. Join the pond parade and hear the happy spring. Mama duck leads the way, little ducklings follow near, quacking as they paddle, giggling with cheer. Fish dart through the water, shimmering in the light, splashing, twirling, dancing, such a colorful sight. Ducks go quack, fish go swish. Waddle, swim and play, every little wish. Flap your wings, wiggle your fins, laugh and sing. Join the pond parade and hear the happy spring. The sun glints on the water, sparkling every wave. Every creature in the pond has a happy little rave. Evening comes with golden glow, ripple soft and deep. Ducks and fish together, ready now for sleep. Morning comes again and the pond is bright and new. Ducks and fish and frogs and friends with skies of blue. Every quack and swish and hop is part of the fun. A magical pond adventure for everyone. Ducks go quack, fish go swish. Waddle, swim and play, every little wish. Flap your wings, wiggle your fins, laugh and sing. Join the pond parade and hear the happy spring. When stars appear and night falls soft and calm, ducks rest on the water, fish in the pond feel warm. Tomorrow brings more quacks and swishes in delight, and the pond will sparkle again in morning light.